Good day everyone, welcome back to Sir Fox Learning Channel. For today's video ay pag-aralan naman po natin ang domain number 1. Dito pa rin po sa DepEd Order number 24 series of 2020. With regards to Philippine Professional Standards for School Heads. So papasukin na po natin ang per domain. Ano yung kanyang mga strands? At ano yung kanyang mga indicator? Actually, na-discuss po natin yung kanyang mga strands sa vlog number 2 po natin about DepEd Order number 24 series of 2020. At this point ay pag-aaralan naman po natin yung kanyang mga indicators. Bawat key stage area, if I'm not mistaken. So, domain number 1 is all about leading strategically. So, sabi po dito, leading strategically highlights the role of school heads in setting the direction, goals, and objectives of school. Yan ha? And in ensuring that these are understood and embraced by all stakeholders. So, kung ano yung mga plans, activities, direction, goals, objectives ng school, base kay school head, ay sinusuportahan dapat ng mga stakeholders. This domain encompasses the school head's commitment to the strategic course of action consistent with the institutional goals towards maximizing organizational performance. Of course, pag kami mga activities, goals, plans ka sa school, dapat it must abide sa mga policies and guidelines ng department. In this domain, school heads are expected to identify and comprehend relevant sources of information such as existing laws, policies, research, feedback, and context, and establish their connections and alignment. So, dapat in relation to sa mga existing policies, existing laws, research, feedback, and context. School head should have a complete understanding of school current and desired states. So, dapat aware ka. Alam mo yung current state ng paaralan kung saan ka namamahala. They should support in executing various collaborative strategies with stakeholders to respond appropriately to the dynamic and rapidly evolving needs of school. Okay? Aspirant school heads. English 2024. Domain 1 pa lang po ito. So, ito po yung ating mga career stage. So, ang domain number 1, meron po siyang ilang strand? 7 strands. Thank you for that At bawat strand, meron po siyang indicators per career stage. May 4 na indicators. So, yung indicators is in accordance with the career stage. So, strand 1.1. Of course, it is all about the mission, vision, and core values of the Department of Education. Mission, vision, and core values. Career stage 1. The school head demonstrate knowledge of the DepEd vision, mission, and core values to foster shared understanding and alignment of school policies, programs, projects, and activities. So, itong mga indicators per career stage, eventually dapat in a way kabisado din dapat ng mga aspirant takers po natin ng English. Kasi we cannot tell, baka kasama po ito sa mga itatanong Anong career stage? Anong strand? O, di ba? Sa domain number 1, strand 1.1, ito po ay patungkol po sa vision and mission and core values ng DepEd. Okay? Stage 1, demonstrating knowledge of the department vision, mission, and core values. Stage 2, career stage 2, communicate the DepEd vision, mission, and core values to the wider school community to ensure shared understanding and alignment of school policies, programs, projects, and activities. Able to communicate na the vision, mission, and core values. Career stage 3, collaborate with school personnel in communicating the DepEd vision, mission, and core values to the wider school community to strengthen shared understanding and alignment of school policies, programs, projects, and activities. So, may collaboration ang nagaganap dito sa stage 3. Stage 4, serve as a role model in school. So, I think, kung matatandaan mo yung 4 na career stage, yung mga keyword po doon, hindi ka na mahirapan. Demonstrate knowledge, communicate, collaborate, serve as a role model. Yun po yung mga cue, somehow, sa bawat career stage. And then, kung matatandaan mo rin yung bawat strands, o di wala ka ng problema. Di ba? Domain number 1, merong 7 strands. Strand 1.1, all about mission, vision, and core values. So, strand number 2, strand 1.2, school planning and implementation. Planning and implementation naman po dito. Sa career stage 1, with regards to planning and implementation of school, the school head demonstrate knowledge and understanding of the phases of development and implementation of school plans aligned with the institutional goals and policies. Again, demonstrate knowledge. Career stage 2, develop and implement with the planning team school plans aligned with the institutional goals and policies. So, develop and implement with. Nag-create pa lang, parang nag-crack pa lang. And then, sa career stage 3, engage the school community in the development and implementation of the school plans aligned with the institutional goals. So, engagement and implementation na. However, in career stage 4, share with fellow school heads best practice. Nagmo-model na, nagbe-benchmark na. Sharing with fellow school heads best practice in the development and implementation of school plans aligned with institutional goals and policies. So that is strand 1.2 about school planning and implementation for domain number 1. Ano nga ulit yung domain number 1? Leading strategically. Stage or strand, not stage. Strand 1.3, policy, implementation, and review. So may policy na, may implementation and review. Career stage 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of policy, implementation, of review to ensure the school operations are consistent with national and local laws, regulation, and issuance. So, again, there is a demonstration and understanding of the policies. You, as a school head, you have to understand every policy of the department on how to implement the policy and review it as well for school operations. Sabi yan, to ensure that operation are consistent with national and local laws and regulations and issuances para hindi ka naliligaw. Alright? Career stage 2, undertake policy, implementation and review in the school to ensure, undertake, operations are consistent with national and local laws, regulation, and issuance. Stage 3, career stage 3, strand 1.3, engage ulit stakeholders in improving the implementation of the reviewed policy to ensure consistency of school operations with national and local laws, regulations, and issuances. Okay? And career stage 4, recommendation to higher authorities, the enhancement of policies relevant to school operations based on implementation and review. So recommendation to higher authorities na you are recommended, highly recommended, enhancement or policies relevant to school operations. So ayan na. Strand 1.3 pa lang po tayo sa domain number 1. Strand 1.4, domain number 1 pa rin. It's all about research and innovation. Kaya school head dapat engage na rin sa research and especially innovation na mapapakinabangan of course ng mga kabataan ng paaralan. Sa paaralan. Career stage 1, identify relevant research findings from reliable sources in facilitating data-driven and evidence-based innovation to improve school performance. Identify relevant research findings. Nag-identify pa lang, that is career stage 1. Sa strand 1.4, sa research and innovation. Career stage 2, utilize relevant research findings. You are utilizing research findings from reliable sources in facilitating data-driven and evidence-based innovation to improve school performance. So, utilize, identify, utilize, and career stage 3, collaborate. Collaborate with school personnel in the conduct of research and utilization of findings in facilitating data-driven. So, strand 1. Career stage 3, strand 1.4, collaborating. Okay? With school personnel sa pagkakandak ng research at pag-utilize ng mga findings in facilitating the data-driven. Okay? Career stage 4, promote a culture of research to facilitate data-driven and evidence-based innovation to improve school performance and foster continuous implementation. Pro-promote na ng research. So, sumali kayo. Sali tayo pala. Dapat hindi kayo. Sali tayo. Hindi naman. Sama nyo ako dyan. Bahala na kayo sa data. Basta sama nyo ako dyan. Huwag naman sanang ganoon. Dapat naintindihan natin yung work. Lalo na ito ay para sa kaayusan ng school. Leading strategically. 1.5, strand 1.5, program design and implementation. Display understanding of the implementation of programs in the school that support the development of learners. So, programs and design and implementation So, ang career stage 1, displaying understanding. Ano yung mga programs na pwedeng implement na makakatulong, makakapag-support sa development, sa improvement ng learners. Ayun. Dapat alam mo yun. Pero sa domain 1, sa career stage, yung kanyang indicators is dapat alam mo yun. Career stage 2, implement programs in the school that support the development of the learner. So, career stage 2, in this strand, ay nag-i-implement ka na ng mga programs na nakakapag-support sa development ng learner. Sa career stage 3, design. Design and implement needs-based program. So, bago ka mag-conduct ng program, dito sa career stage 3, ay nag-survey ka muna ano yung need. At saka ka nagsagawa ng program. Dito sa career stage 2, basta ka na lang nagsagawa ng program. Pero dito, well documented, mayroong need. Nagkaroon ka muna ng assessment in the school to support the development of learners. And career stage 4, lead and empower school personnel in designing and implementing needs. Nagsusupervise ka na lang ngayon, nagli-lead ka, you are empowering your mga uh, department heads in designing and implementing needs-based programs in the school that supports the development learners. Hindi ka na ngayon one-man team. Okay? You are there to assist, to give technical assistance na. So that is career stage 4. Okay? Strand 1.6, learner voice. Nandito pala tong learner voice. Lagi ko itong na-encounter sa mga tanong. So, learner voice. Paano ka magli-lead? Paano mo gagamitin yung boses ng mga mag-aaral? So, sa career stage 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding of utilizing learner voice to inform policy development and decision-making towards school improvement. So, significant ang learner's voice. As a school head, dapat naintindihan mo kung paano ito gagamitin to improve and develop them. So sa career stage 1, demonstrating knowledge and understanding of utilizing the voice of the learners. Career stage 2, utilize learner voice such as feelings, views, or opinions to inform policy development and decision making towards school improvement. So iba't ibang voices ng mga learners na ang kinikater mo dito. Career stage 3, design and apply effective strategies in utilizing learner voice such as feelings, views. So ngayon mayroon ka ng input na activity na pwede makatulong para ma-utilize yung kanilang voice. Kumbaga sa device, may ginagamit ka ng device. Kung sa microphone, dati, tinatakpan mo lang yung bibig mo para mag-voice out yung boses mo. Ngayon, mayroon ka ng lapel sa pagtuturo. Parang ganun. And then, career stage 4, dito pa rin sa strand 1.6 about the learner's voice. Systematize processes in utilizing learner's voice, such as feelings. So, may systematic process ka na ginagawa, pamamaraan to utilize the voice of the learners. So, yun yung development. And lastly, dito pa rin po sa domain number 1, ayan, lobat ng aking laptop. Display knowledge and understanding about, strand 7, 1.7, about monitoring and evaluation, process and tools. So, importante rin po yung monitoring and evaluation. Sa career stage 1, as a school head, the school head displays knowledge and understanding of monitoring and evaluation process and tools to promote learner achievement. So, alam mo dapat paano mo sila i-monitor and evaluate. Career stage 2, utilize available monitoring and evaluation processes and tools to promote learners achievement. Ano yung meron you are utilizing? Career stage 3, design supplemental monitoring and evaluation tools following standard process to promote learners achievement. You are now designing supplemental monitoring and evaluation tools. Galing naman school head. And career stage 4, lead in the institutionalization of effective monitoring and evaluation process and tools to promote learner achievement. Ikaw na ngayon yung nagbe-benchmark ulit. Ayan po Yun po ang domain number 1 in terms of career stages and strands. So again, as an aspirant school head, itong mga indicators per career stage, dapat somehow ay kabisado po natin to. Kasi dito magbabase yung evaluation po natin, especially sa ating mga learners. Hopefully nakatulong po itong video lesson sa inyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga takers, magti-take rather ng English 2024. Good cheer sa inyong lahat sa inyong paghahanda. Marami pong salamat. Happy learning. Again, this is, don't forget rather to subscribe Sir Fox Learning Channel. Thank you for watching.